Hello, my name is Drexel Brooks, and I'm from Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and this assignment is for Week 6's synthesis. Today I will be demonstrating and comparing a more complex synthesizer compared to the simple synthesizer that we saw in our lesson. All right, on the screen, you can see that the DAW that I'm using is Persona Studio One 2 Professional version 2.6.2. I have used this DAW in other lessons because it's a very easy DAW to use, and the interface is very user-friendly. All right, so to get started, I want to go in and pick the synthesizer that I want to use for this lesson. All right, so I'm going in the browser. And the synthesizer that I'm deciding to use for this lesson is Yuhi Tyrell N6. I really like this synthesizer because it has a great GUI, and it's very easy to understand. So let's look at some of the things that this synthesizer has that the simple synthesizer did have, and a few features that the simple synthesizer did not have. All right. The first thing that we come across on this more complex synthesizer is the oscillator section. While the simple synthesizer did have an oscillator section, this one here allows you to pick two synthesizers. You actually have the option to use two oscillators, whereas the simple synthesizer only had the option for one oscillator. All right. Next, we have the mixer section. Another section that the simple synthesizer had was the filter section. On this more complex synthesizer, you can see that it also has a filter section, which is made of more features than the simple synthesizer, but it's still the basic same idea. All right, moving along, we can go to the LFO section. On the simple synthesizer, it only had one LFO section. Well, on this more complex synthesizer, you actually see where it has two LFO sections, which allow for a little more versatility and also for more modulating possibilities. Next, on the more complex synthesizer, we see the matrix section, which the simple synthesizer did not have a section like that. Next, we're moving on to the envelope section. On the simple synthesizer, it only had one envelope section, which allows you to control the attack, the decay, the sustain, and the release. On the complex synthesizer, it actually has two, while once again, the simple synthesizer only had one section. So once again, this allows for more versatility. All right, so basically, I made this video basically to show you the different sections of this more complex synthesizer and compare it to the simple synthesizer that once again that we saw in our lessons. I worked a little hard on this one, trying to figure out which one I want to use to give other students a visual reference to the difference between the two synthesizers. I want to thank my peers that will be reviewing this lesson, and I also want to thank the opportunity to attend this class since this is the final week. I want to say that I think all the students that have actually been a part of this class, I think that if you stay focused on what you're doing and continue to learn, that anything's possible. So once again, this is Drexel Brooks, and I'm out. Thank you very much.